Welcome to another video. Today I will show you cordless grass trimmer installation and usage. Let's go ahead and check it out. What we have inside, we have all the parts right over here and the batteries. We have two batteries. I will go ahead and assemble them. These are what we have inside the box, and here is the installation manual. Let's check it out closely. We have 8 additional grass ropes. Check this out. We already have one right there, and this area is adjustable. You can just open it and however you like, just close it and tighten it. That's it. Here is the control area. This is for the safety. You need to press this first and then press that. Two batteries. This is 2.0 amperes and 20 volt line battery. And here is the handle. We're gonna put it there. Charging adapter, grass rope protector. These are the wheels. I will put this one right there. That's the protective cover, and then put 2 screws there. We're good to go with the protective cover. I will put the wheels like that, and then put the screw right over here, and I will put this one right there, and we're good to go. You can adjust it however you like. You see? Just tighten it to make it stable. Let's put this metal right over here. And this area is also adjustable. We're just gonna press right there. And then we'll put the handle. Then we're gonna put this back. Just tighten it like that. We are done with all the installation and we are ready to go outside. Now we're outside. This height is not enough for me. What I'm gonna do is change the height like that. Now that's good. And then for this area, this is the rope protective metal. It's not gonna touch you, as you can see. That's the height. Grass rope is not gonna be longer than this protective metal. We can adjust the height from here. Maybe that's enough. We have the grass rope cutter over here, two-sided. Here is the handle, and that's the battery. You can see the battery level right there. But now it's 100%. If you want to take out the battery, you need to press this and pull it. That's easy. Now let's see. Now I can just make this short like that and try it again. The basic idea for these wheels, you are able to cut the grass on the same height. I can make it a little bit lower than this, like that. And maybe I can change the direction, like that. Whenever you want to start it, just press over here and then continue. Since I have small grass, that's why I'm having a little bit trouble. Let's see how we're gonna take it out and change it. We're just gonna press both sides and take it out. You see? This is how we're gonna take it out and put it back. And put the protective cover, same place. If you wanna get more rope, you're just gonna press right here. Alright, then we have a little bit extra right there. It's gonna cut it by itself. Now we're good to go. It cut it already. I can definitely suggest this product. It's because we have the wheels. We can adjust the height of the grass while we're cutting. And we have right over here metal protective for the grass rope. It's not gonna touch you. Then you're able to adjust this area. Just press over here and adjust it. And then you can adjust how tall it's gonna be. Either like that or that's maximum. And we have the handle. We have 2 batteries. And also there is latch over here, and that's for the safety. And you can see the battery level over here. And in addition to these, we have additional 8 grass ropes. We already have 1. That means we have total 9 grass ropes. That's why I can definitely suggest this product. This is how you're charging the battery. Now it's green when you plug it in. Now it's red. That means it's charging.